Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, just keep going down. You click here on analytics, you just click on it. Then you come to accept here, you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on alerts, you just click on it. When you click here on alerts, so when you just click on alerts, it's going to take you to this list. So it's going to show for you like this here compared to daily total sales. Click in this sign. So then here, so like you see this color show for us, that's mean daily total sales enabled with us now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.